This tutorial is to show you how to get an attendance report from Infinite Campus. So just make sure you're logged into Infinite Campus and you're in campus instruction. And then over on the left, you scroll down to Reports, Attendance, and you click on it. And then you have several options. So I'm going to show you the attendance register report first. This is the one that we're used to getting from the front office. And then so you click on attendance roster and it'll show you always want to select homeroom because that's where you take your attendance from each day. And then down here you select whichever semester it is. So since this is semester 1, I'm going to select semester 1 and I'm going to click generate report. And then the report that's generated looks like this, and you can see the absences. If you zoom in, you can see tardies. I don't know, I think unexcused absences, and it tells you the key down at the bottom so you can see the report. Now for you to do this for TopCat, you'll just have to know that it was the period ending October 7th. So that would be here this Friday, and you would just check the report for there. There's really no way on this report to select it by the dates. So you would just have to see that on the report that you print and just pay attention to the dates that are there. So that's one option for attendance. The next option is the attendance summary. And if you click on that, again, just make sure you're in homeroom, make sure the semester's selected up here at the top, and click Generate Report. And this report will show you the number of absences, tardies all together, which I think might actually be better because you can see the actual number. So we know that they can't have more than 3. So this way I know, oh, there's a 4. So this person couldn't go to TopCat because they have 4 unexcused absences. Or if you look over here at the tardies, you can see the number of tardies. This shows excused, unexcused, and then over here it says total absent. So it has them combined together. So that's another option for your reports. I'm not really sure why it shows the students twice. Because it's by semester, I guess. So just make sure you look at that part. I don't know why it's not just selecting semester 1 since I did on the report, but this is the way the report came out. So just make sure you look at that. So that's your second option for attendance reports. And then the last one is this attendance change tracking. And this report shows changes that were made, and I'll show you what that looks like. So this one you can select the dates. So I'm going to select August 8th to October 7th, since that's the TopCat period, and make sure I'm in homeroom, and then generate report. And this one shows changes that were made throughout the day. So for example, this is my student Michael, and these are the times that I've marked him absent and the dates. So I marked him absent on this day. This day, the office marked him tardy, and then I marked him absent, and then I deleted it because he showed up to class, 5 minutes later, and it was fine, and so I changed it, whatever. So it just shows that. So it's a little bit harder to read this report, but you could use this report if you want to see, the tardies. But I would recommend using the attendance summary just because it's so much easier to read, but you can choose which one you want. This is a report that we have to print ourselves. The office, because of the new system, doesn't have the option to print this for us. So this is how you would go ahead and print that for TopCat periods when you need to know their attendance.